Hey everyone, this is Professional Window Tinting. Today we have a Honda Civic tinted with the non-metal carbon color stable 20% 3M film. This is a beautiful window film, top of the line in heat reduction, glare reduction, and solar reduction. The great thing about Color Stable 20 is that it cuts out a ton of heat while still being beautiful and not taking away from the car itself. Coming up to the window, you can see that's just about the degree of visibility from a 20% window film. Looking at it from the inside, high visibility from the inside, but very low visibility from the outside. You can find us at Professional Window Tinting, 9 Albee Drive, Newark, Delaware, or visit tintglass.com to learn more. Hope to see you soon.